how to change your personal information about your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your profile here down. You click, then you go to this three line, then you go to settings, and then you go guys to account and click, then you go to the first option, personal information, and click, and here you will find your personal information, and you can guys, you can change it. You can add for example, you can change your gender, your birthday, your email, your phone number. It's like what you want, and that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.